Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too.
Hi, welcome to Max Your Journey. My name's Alvin.
My name's Dana.
Thank you guys for joining us. Please hit the subscribe button to join the tribe and follow along for our camping adventures, journeys, and tips.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
What?
Can I have this for a second?
Okay, good job. Yeah.
Too
Your turn, right?
Oh, Mommy, never mind. When you're not using that, use it.
Say hi. One, two, three. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. We hope you guys stick around for 2021. Hopefully we got a lot of trips and maybe some journeys coming your way that you can follow us. Anything you guys want for Christmas?
I want the robot and pair underwear.
Robot and underwear? What do you want, Ace?
My first thing would be a Let It Go's Duplo Superhero Lab.
Okay. Audrey, what did you want?
Well, here's one thing. Bake like a chef.
Bake like a chef.
And I'm old enough to have it.
Yeah, you know how to cook. Audrey, Arlo, what do you want for Christmas?
Me.
What do you want?
Me.
What's
Vroom
that?
vrooms?
No, Vivian.
Oh, vroom vroom cars. So thank you guys for watching our channel, hitting subscribe, and Manny probably wants a dog bone or a treat, right?
Okay.
Or new.
Bye.
Bye. See you guys in 2021.
Bye.
Bye.